good morning. This is Pinnacle Beauty Store. Happy New Year to everyone, to my customers and my viewers. I wish us a glorious year. So this year, I'm going to be giving you goodies. As in goodies, we are fully prepared. We are fully ready to give you the best this 2022. And I'll be dropping some recipes, as in working recipes that I've worked with and I've seen results, and you know that I've been selling for the past 4 years. I'm going to be dropping it soon, so please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, comment, share, subscribe to my channel so we can kickstart. I promise you the best. And I'm not doing copy and paste. Trust me, I'm not doing copy and paste. And if you want to enroll in my training, I have private training. When I say private, I mean private. So if you want to subscribe, you want to enroll in my training, I'll be dropping my number soon, my WhatsApp number. Just message me on WhatsApp, then we'll talk better. Thank you. Love you all. So this is my skincare page, and I have cosmetics page as Pinnacle Beauty Store, and my skincare page as Cassie B Skincare.